guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do this look. So you can see it's very simple, very quick, and you can do it whenever you want when you don't have much time, and especially when you're working from home, you want to look presentable. So this look you can go for, and it's very simple. Now, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So I have already moisturized my face. I've done all the skincare. Now, I'll use Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer. Take just 2 drops. Okay. And then in on the areas like on the nose and on the forehead. और थोड़ा सा cheeks पे. Yeah. Primer is very important, guys. No matter आप कौन सा makeup कर रहे हो, if you want it to last long, to be a smooth makeup, so आपको primer हमेशा use करना चाहिए. Then use Clinique's BB cream when you're not using any foundation. So I think BB creams works the best. Just a little bit. Take 2-3 drops, that's it. Let it follow your face. You can see it automatically brightens up your face, and it's the best solution if you don't want to use any foundation or anything. And for quick makeup, I think BB cream works the best. And I use Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer. But concealers are important because to hide these dark circles, I'll use the concealer. So I'll put it just under the eye and here. And if you have any mark you wanna hide, I just have a pimple or something here, so I'll just do a little dab thing here, and then thoda sa yahan pe, and here, right inside the corners of my nose, and a little bit chin. Now for the quick makeup and for the work from home, you don't want to use any brush, and I think the best way to blend out your concealer foundation is a sponge, is a blender. So I think this is chotu one that I have. So make sure you damp it a little bit, otherwise you can't blend your concealer, foundation, anything. So take your makeup fixer and just spray. Just blend your concealer nicely. Blender is the best solution, I guess. I have been using blender for the past like 6 months, and I love makeup sponge. There's nothing you can replace it with. Because for a brush you have to use different brush, and then you have to use one blender again to make it look perfect. So I think just use a blender. It's just perfect. It's very easy. It's very quick. हम जल्दी करेंगे because it's a quick and easy makeup look. It's very easy and it's very quick. Just make sure that you're putting concealer over the eyelids also. Then we'll use Color Bar's loose powder. It is very important to use a setting powder because when you're putting concealer, it can crease and it won't look good. Again, you just need a sponge in this whole makeup look. So take a sponge and dab, and then thoda excess nikal lo. And then just put your setting powder wherever you have applied your concealer. ऐसे dab it all over your under eye. So our base is done. Now we'll do our eyebrows, which is so important to me. I think it just changes your whole look. So we'll in hurry Just make sure you're doing the eyebrows right. So we'll use the Benefits Go Pro Eyebrow Pencil. I think this one is the best out there, and we should have it. Take control. I am losing grip that I know. Make sure you line your eyebrows like under here. I always do that and above. I think for me that's the easiest way to do your eyebrows. And then just fill in. Then I'll just brush my eyebrows quick. So, take control. So that's it, and your eyebrows are done. You can see that eyebrows makes so much of difference. I'll be using Nykaa's Eye Smoky Kajal. For me, if the makeup is quick and you just want to go somewhere, or it's a virtual class or meeting on a Zoom, just go with the eyebrows and apply some good kajal, I think, and then and then good mascara. I think that's enough. Now I'll put the kajal thoda sa on the upper eyelash, just on the outer corners, not the full inside. Just put the kajal on the outer side of my upper eyelash. So as you can see now, before applying mascara, I'll curl my lashes. So I always do it, no matter I'm running late, because it just gives a way to my mascara, if that makes sense. I think it's just important for me to curl my lashes before applying mascara.
Enchanté.
So as you can see, it automatically makes so much of difference on my eyes. Eyes looks bigger and just opens up the eyes. Then I will apply Kiko's Unforgettable Mascara. Mascara is so important, I can't even tell you. Go with Hoola bronzer. Bronzer is so important, they make your skin feel alive. I'll say that. This is how it looks. I just love bronzers. It gives your skin a depth and a feel, I'll say. Don't do much, just little bit here, just like it. And a little bit on the sides of the nose. And a little bit over the chin. Then we'll go with Benefits Pores Tint. I think tints are the best for a natural look, and you just need your tint and your hands and just apply and dab it. That's it. I love Benefit tints. They are amazing. So just smile and 3 to 4 drops, and just tap. They give you such a natural look. I just love tints. Now for the highlighter, I'll be using Benefits Girl Meets Pearl Liquid Highlighter. Now this one is like amazing, and it's a liquid highlighter, so you don't need any brush. It's quick, it's easy, and dab it. to go for quick and easy makeup, take liquid highlighters, because liquid highlighters are very easy and they blend very nicely also. And yes, some on the nose, little bit over my lip. So as my full face is done, everything is done, now only the lip color is remaining. So then I'll go for Bobbi Brown's liquid lip crush in Bitten. Now this is how it looks. Just need to dab it as I said. If you want a natural lip from any lipstick, just take that and dab it.
Enchanté.
Then I will apply a lip gloss. It's from Victoria's Secret. Now this one is from Victoria's Secret's flavored lip gloss in the flavor Mango Blush. I'm applying. I'm a big lip gloss person. My look is done. As you can see, it looks really simple and it looks like presentable. And that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment in below what you think of this vlog and did you like it. Yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.